सलाम, आदाब, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है सिटीजन जस्टिस फोरम के इस वीडियो चैनल पर। हमारा मिशन भारतीय नागरिकों को उनके अधिकारों के बारे में जागरूक करना है जो भारतीय संविधान ने उन्हें दिए हैं। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हो तो कृपया उसे सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करके सबको चुनें ताकि हम जब भी नए वीडियो अपलोड करते हैं या ऑनलाइन जाते हैं तो उसकी सूचनाएं आपको मिलती रहे। हमें बहुत खुशी होगी अगर आप इस वीडियो को अपने संपर्क और दोस्तों के साथ साझा करें। Hello everyone, I am Advocate Suleiman Bhimani and I welcome you all to the Citizen Justice Forum video channel. Our mission is to empower citizens of India by sharing knowledge about their fundamental rights as specified in the Constitution of India. If you are watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon and select all so you receive notification whenever we upload new videos or go live. Sharing this video with your contact and friends would be greatly appreciated. Today's topic is RERA carpet area. Which area is valid? The area mentioned in the allotment letter, or the area mentioned in the booking sheet, or the area mentioned in the sale agreement. The Maharashtra Real Estate Appellate Tribunal bench consisting of Justice K. Sriram Jagtap, a judicial member, and Dr. K. Shivaji, a technical member, has ruled that in instances where there are inconsistency or conflicts regarding the carpet area stated in different documents concerning the properties such as allotment letter, draft agreement, booking sheet, booking form, the carpet area mentioned in the agreement of sale shall be considered as legally binding measurement. In the real estate, the term RERA carpet area denotes the practical usable space enclosed within the four walls of an apartment or property. It excludes shared areas such as staircases, lobbies and balconies, but includes the area that comes under the partition wall within the flat. Here is the background and the facts. A home buyer, Kamal Kishore Uniwal, purchased a flat within the Meridia project developed by the builder, with the agreement of sale executed and officially recorded on August 10, 2019. Subsequently, the home buyer encountered several issues concerning the flat. Firstly, there was a delay in handover of the possession of the flat, surpassing the agreed upon timeline despite the issuance of the occupation certificate for the project. Moreover, the builder purportedly demanded additional payments beyond the terms outlined in the agreement, allegedly without furnishing proper documentation or receipts. Additionally, it was claimed that the actual carpet area of the apartment fell short of the promised area of the time of the booking by an approximate margin of 225 square feet. Furthermore, the appellant leveled accusation against the builder alleging fraudulent practices including the falsification of the carpet area. The home buyer sought compensation for the alleged shortfall in carpet area, primarily citing the documents provided by the Accord Builders allotment letter dated July 18, 2019 indicating the carpet area of 77.2 square meters and the draft agreement sale dated July 19, 2019 showing a carpet area of 71.21 square meters. Frustrated and aggrieved by the delay and other aforementioned issues, the home buyer filed a complaint with the MahaRERA, requesting various reliefs such as possession of the flat, compensation for discrepancy in carpet area, revocation of the project's registration due to the fraudulent practices, and an order for the registration of the cooperative housing society. However, the builder opposed the complaint contending that the demands including GST payments were in accordance with the agreement for sale and assured the receipts for the payments would be issued. In its order dated November 26, 2019, MahaRERA directed the builder to hand over the possession of the flat to the home buyer within 15 days. Subsequently, the home buyer appealed against the order seeking additional relief such as compensation for the carpet area discrepancy and a refund of GST payments, revocation of the project registration and registration of cooperative society. The MahaRERA Appellate Tribunal rejected the home buyer's demand for compensation due to the alleged deficit in carpet area as executed agreement of sale clearly specified the carpet area as 50.29 square meters and not 77 or 71.29 square meters as claimed by the home buyer. The tribunal ruled that the claim for the compensation was legally unsustainable for several reasons. Clause 3.2 of the executed and registered agreement for sale explicitly stated the promised carpet area as 50.29 square meters. Additionally, clauses 63 and 64 of the agreement established that the entire agreement between the parties would supersede any prior understandings or agreements. The tribunal further noted that the agreement for sale would take precedence over all the previous documents, including allotment letter and draft agreement cited by the home buyer. As these documents predated the executed agreement, moreover, the tribunal observed that the home buyer did not dispute the carpet area at the time of possession or afterward until filing the complaint. Documents such as the allotment letter and the booking application form also confirmed the carpet area as 50.29 square meters. Consequently, the tribunal dismissed the home buyer's appeal, finding it unsustainable and devoid of merit. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on legal matters that affect you. If you find this video informative, then like, subscribe and share with your contacts and friends for more engaging content on legal issues. See you again in the next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, be safe and remain healthy. हमारे चैनल पर अधिक कानूनी मामलों की जानकारी के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहे। यदि आपको ये वीडियो लाभदायक लगता है तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों और संपर्क के साथ में इसे शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको कानूनी मुद्दे पर रोचक जानकारियां मिलती रहे। और अंत में ए खुदा, अपनी अदालत में हम सबके लिए जमानत रखना, हम रहे या ना रहे, हमारे दोस्तों को सलामत रखना। जय हिंद।